Hi, I am Dhruv Kurana. I have built a simple WhatsApp chatbot backend using Java and Spring Boot. I will quickly walk through the structure, test it locally, and then show it's running live. So I have kept the project simple and structured. There are three main parts: controller, service, and DTO. Okay. DTO are basically used to handle the request and response. Instead of using row maps, this keeps things structured and clear. Like what is like I have full control over what data is coming and what we are returning to the user, because we want to show what we want to show to the user according to the need or according to the business logic or the requirement. Okay, so message request is basically used to take our input from the user, and I'm using a message response DTO to send the reply or response back to the user with the timestamp. Okay, and this is my controller layer. I am using path webhook, so all the APIs are under this. Okay, and this is the post API. It will receive the message and send it to the service layer and will handle the message there. I will show you. Okay, and this is the get API. Basically this API is just to check a health of the application, whether it is running or not running. Okay, so this is the service layer which will handle all the business logic or the functionality of our chatbot simulator. And logic is pretty simple. If the user will send hi, I will return hello. If the user will send a bye, I will return a goodbye. And if user will send a random input, I will return a default response. Now we'll test it locally first. So for that, I will run that on my localhost. As you can see here, it is running on the local host port 8080. Now we'll test it. Okay, so when I will send a hi, I will get hello. When I will send bye, I will get goodbye. And when I will send some unknown text or unknown input, it will return or gives a default response. And all the incoming messages are logged here. And now we'll test the health API, health endpoint, to check whether my server is running or not. And here, as you can see, the application is running. Okay, and I have deployed this on AWS EC2, and the instance is running, as you can see here, and this is my public IPv4 address. Now we'll test the live API. Okay, using the postman. So as you can see here, the HTTP endpoint and URL is different because I'm targeting the live API, and this is actually my IPv4 address. Okay, now we'll send hi, and yeah, it's working fine. Now we'll test one more time. I will send a bye and same response here as well. And now we'll check the health endpoint on the live API as well to see whether my project is running live or not. So as you can see, the application is running. Okay, and anyone all over the internet can hit the same API with this HTTP URL. Okay, because I have deployed my project on the AWS EC2. So yeah, that's a complete flow from handling requests, processing it, and serving it live. That's it from my side. Thank you.